Alden Richards update. Yung sa post ng PAOS Philippines, yung ambassador si Alden dyan. Very approachable si Alden. And during gawad lasanya nito, and awarding ceremony, parehas pa nga nakatanggap ng award si Alden at PAOS Philippines, kaya congrats. At wagi si Alden bilang most outstanding film actor, Pulang Araw at Hello Love Again. Ito yung video.
Tinanggap naman ang Hello Love Again ang most outstanding Filipino film. Si Kapuso actor Alden Richards na ang tumanggap ng award.
Yun o.
It's also a validation of all of our hard work, and at the same time, this is just making sure that we make a lot of people happy with the film. So maraming salamat po kagawad sa Luneta for the service.
Ito pa yung event ni Alden kagabi. Yan ang ikit pa ni Alden kumawayo.
Nakakamiss yung mga kasama ko doon. Nakakamiss din mag-perform sa television kasama yung
All
mga
Out Sunday. February 9, abangan si Alden. Pagbabalik. All Out Sunday. Ito pa yung event ni Alden. For Bench. Ternocon 2025. Ayan, isa si Alden sa mga inabangan. Ito pa yung mga picture ni Alden dyan. Oh. Ayan, oh. May sariling ring light si Alden Richard dyan sa event. Yan, kitang-kita si Alden. Oh. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.